This right here is a channel called Vendor Smart that's gaining massive traction in the travel hacks niche on YouTube. And you won't believe how much money they're making with these videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can tap into one of the most exciting and profitable niche on YouTube right now. And trust me, you don't need to be a world traveler or even show your face to make this work. A student of mine recently uncovered this niche as one of the most lucrative opportunities in YouTube automation. At first, I didn't think much of it, but after analyzing the numbers, I was blown away. Here's what makes this niche so powerful. Not only do travel content creators get millions of views, but travel advertisers are willing to pay a premium to promote their products and services on these videos. That means higher RPMs equal how much you make per 1,000 views. For example, one of the channels my students shared with me, Travel Savvy, gets around 10 million views a month. With even a conservative RPM of $8, that's 80,000 per month. Another channel, Budget Voyager, gets 20 million views per month. At the same RPM, they're pulling in 160,000 every single month. But the real eye-opener was Vendor Smart, which gets a staggering 50 million views a month. At an 8 RPM, they're making $400,000 every month from faceless videos showcasing travel hacks and tips. And the best part? These videos are often made from stock footage and simple voiceovers. Now you might be wondering, why isn't everyone doing this? The answer is simple. Most people don't know how to optimize their videos for this niche or how to automate the process entirely. But in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you, step by step, so you can start your very own travel hacks channel. Here's how you can make this happen. First, you will need to research popular travel topics like how to find cheap flights, best travel apps, or top 10 budget destinations. These topics consistently get millions of views. Then head over to our tool, TubeBuddy, a software I have developed to optimize YouTube content in seconds. You can grab a free trial in the link below. With TubeBuddy, you can generate optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for your videos instantly. Let's say you are making a video about how to book cheap flights. Type that into TubeBuddy, and in seconds, you will have a full set of metadata that's designed to rank on YouTube. This process usually takes hours, but with this tool, it's done in seconds. Once you have your topic, you can use free or affordable stock footage from platforms like Pexels or Pixabay to create your video. And if you want to save even more time, you can use Vid.ai, the most advanced video generation software I have ever seen. Just paste your script into that Vid.ai and it will generate a professional video complete with visuals, voiceovers, and music in seconds. Let me show you an example. Here's a quick video I have made on the topic top 5 packing hacks for any trip. Pretty cool, right? This literally took me 5 minutes to make and it's ready to upload. Now, there's a secret sauce: consistency and optimization. Post regularly and use the tools I have mentioned to stay ahead of the competition. And remember, the key to success in this niche is to provide value. Give your audience actionable tips they can use right away. If you are ready to get started, check out my free guide in the description below. It includes templates, scripts, and step-by-step plan to build your channel from scratch. And if you want to secure the best price for Vid.ai before the price goes up, you will find that link in the description too. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building a profitable YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video.